friends, welcome to Sketchware Tutorials, and in this video I'll show you how to implement menu status bar in your Android app. That is, when you open the app Sketchware, and you can see there at the top of the Sketchware action bar, you can see a three dots placed there, and when you press it, a sliding action bar will come into the action, and when you press it again, it becomes invisible. And today I'll show you how to implement this feature in your Android app. It's very good feature and must wanted also. So start with the new project menu, and now I'm going to remove this action bar. You can also do it with this action bar, but I'm going to remove this because I need more space, and I'm taking a linear layout to create a new action bar for me, and I'm taking two image views, one for menu bar and another for cancel. And you can place your images, you can place any images you want, but I'm importing two images. You can easily find them on Google. That's it. And this is for menu bar, and I'm going to import another image for cancel button. That's it. And let's modify the properties of these images now. And I'm going to layout width to 50 dp and height to 50 dp. You can do anything. You can also do with default images, but I'll increase it to 50 dp because I love material design, and these are all the rules of material design. That's it. And these are the rules of meme. And I can set the background color of menu status bar to blue, which is looking good, I think. And now I am taking a linear horizontal layout and adjust its height to match parent, and I am placing a two linear vertical layouts, one for sliding action bar and another for main activity. And this is for sliding action bar, that is, when you press this menu bar you will get this sliding action bar, and when you press this button it becomes invisible, and you can only see this content only. So now I'm going to modify this. Let me increase its width to 200 dp only, and I'll make this width to match parent because it is the main activity, and it can be seen only when we press the menu bar. That's why I'll increase it to 200 dp and it increases to match parent. And I'm placing a text view uh, simply for demo actions. This is a sliding bar, and increase 50 dp. That's it. As you can see, this is the main page, and you can place your content here, anything you want. And the layout section is almost complete, and let's move to the logic section now. And to make rotations for timing actions, you have to add a component called timer and name it as anything. I'm going to name it as anim. Let's animate. And on activity create, that is on app becoming start visible, you have to hide this sliding bar, and also you have to hide this cancel button also. So for that, go to the view section and just select set visible, like I showed you in the last tutorial. If you did not see my last tutorial, then see the playlist made by me. The link is in the description below. I'll select image view 2 to gone visibility, and I'm taking let me take 1 minute. Or the linear layout is a linear 3, so I'm taking the linear 3 to become gone. That's it. And when you press image 1, that is menu bar, when you press the menu bar, what you want to show, you have to show the sliding bar. That's why um, I'm taking a component here, and I'm taking a timer task, and I'm taking set rotation bar for, as you can see now, the linear layout 3. I think it's linear layout 3. Am I correct? Yes, it's linear layout 3, and linear layout 3. No. Sorry. Image view 1 must have to rotate. It must rotate. I think it must rotate 180 degrees for sliding actions and for animate after 500 milliseconds. And I'll copy this and paste it for other sections also. It looks beautiful when you press it. And after all these animations out, then you have to show the linear layout 3 to the user. That is, it becomes visible to the user, and you have to visible the image view 2 also, which is nothing but a cancel button. And you have to hide this image view 1 because the menu bar has to come back, and image view set visible gone. That's it. And I simply copy this and paste it for the image view 2 also, because there is almost the same thing will happen. And I'll rename because image view 2 has to rotate here, as is logic for image view 2, and I have to rotate this image view 2, and I'm going to linear 3 to be gone, image view to be gone, image view 1 to be visible. That's it. Let's try this app now, and let's see what happens now. Open the app Sketchware. Sorry, open. Let's try to install the app. And as you can see now, the sliding bar will be hidden, and only we can place the main content here. And when you press this menu bar, you can see that this is a sliding bar, and it comes very faster because I'll set the time to 500 milliseconds. For example, if I set the time frame to be 1 second, then you will understand that you will notice that speed. Let me increase it to 1 second. This also 1 second. And I'll modify it also, and you will see that it slowly comes and it rotates. You'll observe that rotation property I used, and it comes very late, that you can understand now. Let's update the app, and let's see what happens now. Open, and when you press this menu bar, as you can see, you'll understand that. That's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video.